Welcome, bienvenue. Even the Parisians have arrived, so we can start. I'm very happy, glad to be here and to see you all today. I'm going to let Oded Cohen first talk about the TOCPA, and then I'll explain more in detail the schedule for today. So, Oded Cohen, the co-founder of TOCPA.
Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here and to open this conference. This is the 38th conference, international conference of TOCPA. Thank you all for coming, for sharing, and for the interesting 2 days that we are going to have. We have here a very, very international conference. We have people from 13 countries: France, Netherlands, UK, Cyprus, Japan. Sanjeev will come tomorrow from the US. I'm from Israel, but I live in Estonia, and I'm representing Estonia as well. We have from Africa, from Sweden, Switzerland, South Africa, Czech Republic, Belgium. So we are really international. It has been for me, precisely 40 years since I first met Dr. Goldratt. It was 1978. I was working in an Israeli manufacturing company and came across him. I was responsible for then the IBM department, the computer systems, and came across his OPT, the software for the scheduling, tried it, implemented it in the company, got then significant results. Then I moved to another company, used the concepts, and from 82 I joined him and worked with him until the days that he died in different capacities as an employee, as a director, as a partner when we were in the Goldratt Institute, and then in the Goldratt Group. I was in charge of the Goldratt schools. TOC is something very unique. And we are talking about, first of all, TOC has over 40 years. So the roots of the TOC are going back to 1975. And what you can feel here in the room is the fact that the TOC group of practitioners, I think that this is a very, very unique group in this sense. First of all, TOC is a profession. There's no question. And it has a knowledge base, but also a very important know-how that have been captured in 40 years of implementation around the world in different countries, in different industries, in different facets of life. Everything where we have a system, you can find TOC. And the uniqueness of the practitioners of TOC is the passion about improvement, but the passion about improving systems. Knowing that the systems were built for purpose, reminding us that there is a very strong reasoning. Why do we have systems? And in the end of the day, is in order to support and enhance our lives and the lives around us. Because TOC is very knowledge-based, it attracts people that actually enjoy learning and keep on learning as long as we live and our brains are working. When I first met Eli Goldratt, I was not fascinated by the software, even though that the software has been a breakthrough, and since then, nobody in the world managed to produce something like the opt, and that is guarantee. The common thing that that unite us is that we want to improve system because we care, because it's important to us to see that where there is the potential of the system, why not to make the maximum out of it? Because the organization were built for a purpose, and the purpose is good. So why not to get more of the purpose and strive for more? But when we're looking around us, I believe that what we see is that the majority of the people just shrugged their shoulders and said, okay, sometimes the business is doing well, why to bother? The business is not doing well, why to bother? They are the owners. Let them not sleep at night. Yes, I'm coming to work, I'm doing my job. Why should I care? Okay? So when you're searching for the people around that enjoy the intellectual part of the TOC and enjoy the challenge to try and make the system better, and that are caring about their environment, then we are coming to a very, very tiny community, because we're looking on the cross-section on all of these three things. So that is basically why we built TOCPA. The Practitioner Alliance is basically a place, please come in, where the practitioners get together, they talk to each other, they share experience, and it's not about the knowledge. The books and all of the articles and whatever is available covers very nicely the knowledge. But the question is the how. How do we do it? How do we implement the elements of the solutions, the injections, the unique elements of the TOC solution? How do you do it? How do you do buffer management? How do you use the color system? How do you do that, and how do you do that? And every environment has its own uniqueness. So we're going around the world. We meet the TOC practitioners. Majority of them are either our direct students or students of our students or companies that have been working with our networks, and we share experience. This is not a marketing event. This is not in order to sell you any consulting or any software or to make business. It is a professional meeting. This is why we ensure that we have very small group of people who really knows TOC, want to know more, and they are passionate about it. So we are going to have here 2 days of very interesting stories to share. Listen to them, sift out of them what is the main message, what else can you get for yourself, what ideas, what to look for, how to add it to your portfolio of things. We have the video camera in order to capture it and then to put it on the website so that it is available to all of the people that are really want more from a professional point of view, and they want to incorporate elements of TOC into what they are doing. So in a way, on a personal level, I think that the message is that whatever am I, what is my experience, everything that I've acquired, I top it up with more things that I can take from TOC, and then I can contribute more to my job, to my subsystem, to my company, and some of us here, and definitely the delegation from Japan, they are looking into how they can contribute to the country and not only to the individuals or the individual companies. So thank you for coming. Thank you to Philip and the whole of the Marris team for organizing this wonderful event. And we look forward to this very nice 2 days. Thank you very much.